Respect means putting things where they belong.
Respect means taking care of our plants.
Respect means picking up any rubbish.
Respect means gentle hands with equipment, don't break it.
Respect means being careful with the things that you borrow.
Respect means being kind to others.
Respect means encouraging others to be the best they can.
Respect means sharing with others. Respect means being patient.
Respect means using kind words and thinking before I say something. Respect means not taking things that don't belong to you.
Respect means gentle hands for trees and plants.
Respect means trying my best no matter what.
Respect means dogs on a hook. Respect means keeping your body to yourself.
Respect means help keep places clean. Respect means care of other people.
Respect means putting in the rubbish in the bin.
Respect means caring for others, not just yourself.
Respect means cleaning up your mess. Respect means being a good learning buddy.
Respect means learning about nice cultures.